I am Maya Williams, an intern for the City of Fayetteville Fire and Emergency Management, and today I'll be discussing how to prepare your pets for emergencies with Elaine Smith and Sparky. So why is it important to plan for emergencies if you have pets?
It's very important to plan for your pets in an emergency because they're completely dependent on you. Just like children or elderly people, they really need someone to help take care of them, and they can't get by on their own. So they need you to take them in an emergency and make sure all their needs are met. Food, water, shelter, make sure they're safe.
So in the event of an emergency, where should I take my pets?
If you need to evacuate, Cumberland County Emergency Services will have shelters set up in the community that are open to people who are bringing their pets. So it's important to listen to any public announcements, and then you'll know which locations to go to if you have your pets. And then you just want to make sure that you're going to that shelter and bringing the things you need to have for your pet for at least 72 hours.
So if I have to evacuate, are there any specific items that I should take?
Yes, there definitely are. And this is a great example of a 72-hour emergency kit for you to have if you have pets. And included in this kit, you want to make sure you have food. Sparky's agreeing with that. You want to make sure that you have potentially water if that's going to be in short supply. You want to make sure you have a collar and leash for your pet, a crate that they can stay in, so someplace that they're safe and enclosed. And then you also want to make sure you have any vaccination records and medications from your veterinarian, and you have those with you. So always a good idea to go through and make sure your emergency kit is packed and ready to go at a moment's notice.
So is that all included in a kit for animals, or are there any additional items?
Well, the other thing to make sure is any identification that you can put on your pet, so tags with your name and phone number. And if they have a microchip, that's a very important thing too, and that's something you can get done at your veterinarian, and it's a permanent form of identification. But make sure, if you do have a microchip in your pet, that the information in the database is up to date. It's your current phone number and address, so we can reach you if we need to get the pet back to you.
Thank you for all that informative information, and if you have any additional questions, you can visit ready.gov or sign up for Cumberland Alerts.